Whoops. Well, darn things like to get away from me. Okay. This is the most nerve-wracking part of the whole thing, because one screw up here and these very expensive push rods I've put together will be for naught. Oh, come on. There it is. Oh, yeah. Whew. Couple more. No. Where'd you go? Oof. Okay, try this again. Oh, almost. There it goes. 3 more. Ooh, that was almost bad. It's really hard to gauge how much force you have to set these with, because you don't want to hit them too hard because you don't want to potentially break the glue. And you don't want to hit them too soft, because when you do that, then they fall on the floor and you have to pick them up. Or worse, they shoot across the room and you're like, where'd it go? At least that's how I am. There it goes. Sometimes you get the whack just perfect. Other times it flies across the room. Like that. I'm not sure if it went all the way through there or if... check that on. There it goes. Don't think it went all the way through. Probably would have went at the bottom. Alright, last one. Nice. And now, all of the push rods have bushings in the ends. I'll hit these with some grease that I have that's a synthetic bearing grease for these sorts of things, just to take up any slop and play, which really there isn't hardly any. And you're definitely not gonna want any slop and play on the ends of these, so hopefully, yeah, these should work out pretty well. Nice.